just wake up, take the dance slow like walk you the walk. Early morning, just wake up, take the dance slow like walk you the walk. Walk you the walk, yeah, girl. Walk you the walk, yeah, girl. Boom! You know it's Mad Dog, the Caribbean boy, endorsing. You know it's Emmanuel Records and Billy Up Promotion presents Dancers Invasion. I'm here to tell you it's the 23rd of March, place to be. Woodland Garden, Chicago, Illinois. That's 1293 Road. Music by One Blood. Even the man hold up a girl, them gonna do their dash out, fling out, do a bag or something. I hold up a man, they gonna do their do and hold up a, you know, hold up a dancing and thing. But oh, me, Mad Dog, the Caribbean boy, well up in there, singing your hit songs like whine it, bounce pan it, gal, in the, whoa, gal, see the body, yeah, see the body, yeah, come sit down pan it, gal, see the body, yeah, come grab and pan it, gal, see the body, yeah, come wind up pan it, gal, Alan Bambua, where she wanna, Alan Bambua, in the morning, Alan Bambua, where she wanna, Alan Bambua, you think of that, turn up the work, but the gal them rock out, gal them rock out, but the gal them rock out, turn up the work, but the gal them dash out, gal them dash out, but the gal them dash out, turn up the park, turn up the park, turn up the pop, brad out, want see the gal them a do the brad out, Chicago gal them a do the brad out, boom, that's Mad Dog live from Jamaica, Chicago, Illinois, it's a party at 23rd of March,